What's up YouTube? Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on the new update. So, as you can see, they have added Xbox. You can play on Xbox. Added potatoes, which they're for mainly beginners. They cost 300 and they sell for 10. They have added carpet, which I'm pretty sure they already had. I don't know why they put that on there. They've also added wood, stone brick, and brick slabs. So they've added slabs. They've added wood slabs and brick slabs and that stone slabs, like nice polished stone. They've also added mossy stone brick, which I'm really excited about. Breaking the chest gives you all the contents inside. That is my favorite thing that they've added because I've actually had a bunch of stuff in a chest. I broke it and I lost all my stuff. Also, me and Louise were playing. He broke a chest with $20,000 worth of food inside of it, and that was sad. They've also added different clothing and improved combat and mob AI. Okay, let's take a look in here. They haven't really added any more pictures though. The title's a bit different. But don't forget, this has never happened to me yet. It's probably going to happen to me after this video, but progress may reset during beta testing, which is kind of bad. But I don't really know if Xbox support is good or not. Okay, well, the game crashed and it stopped recording, so we're joining back in here. I'm going to show you the new things they've added. The potatoes. Should add a potato cannon. That should be a weapon, but you need potatoes to field it. That would be smart. Okay, so potatoes sell for 10, and the seeds cost 300. Also added these different clothings that I don't really like, but other people may like it. Banker, nothing is done. They've also added potato soup you can sell. That's all they've added. And blocks, exactly the same. They've added this carpet. I haven't seen this before. Here, I'll go test it out. I guess last time, it's really expensive though. Okay, so this is the carpet. Apparently they added. Pretty cool. Let's see. Whoa, that's kind of nice. I don't know about it. Kind of looks like snow. A bit. We'll see. I want to see it on it. I guess it's kind of nice. So, guys, that's all they've added. They've also added a potato totem, which is potato totem, honestly. Pretty simple. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and comment if you want more tutorials on Skyblock. And yeah. Bye, guys.